Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model 3. First, you'll need to locate the charging port, then select the appropriate connector, and finally, securely plug it in. We'll also cover how to monitor your charging progress and safely disconnect when finished. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps. To begin, find the charge port located on the left rear side of your Model 3. You can open it by pressing the button on the Tesla charging connector itself. Another convenient way is to use your vehicle's touchscreen or the Tesla mobile app. The port door will then open automatically, ready for connection. Once the port is open, carefully align the charging connector with the port opening. Push the connector firmly into the port until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely latched. The LED light on the port will begin to flash green, confirming that charging has successfully started. Always ensure a secure connection for optimal safety. You can easily monitor your charging progress on the vehicle's touchscreen or through the Tesla mobile app. When your Model 3 is fully charged, the LED light on the port will turn a solid green. To disconnect, simply press the button on the connector handle and pull it out. Remember to manually close the charge port door afterwards.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.